A 5-person delegation from Iraq is in Duluth with a message of hope and friendship, but getting their message here wasn't easy. Bua Zhang spent the day with them and joins us now from the newsroom with more. And Bua, they've been planning this for a long time, haven't they?
They really have. They've been talking about a visit like this for nearly 3 years. And last year, a group of Duluthians went to visit the Kurdish city of Rania. And this year, the Ranians finally got their chance to visit Duluth.
Duluth is a wonderful and incredible.
They've only been in Duluth for 2 days, but they're already planning for their next trip.
We have the dream to make a sister city relationship between Rania and Duluth in future.
The delegation from the city of Rania, which sits near the Iraq-Iran border, says a sister city relationship could help both cities not only learn about each other's cultures, but also learn about how each city works. Today they met with the mayor and representatives from Congressman Jim Obersar's office. They even fit in a visit to the library.
I'm very excited to be here. I have never suspected to be in such beauty as I see it now.
Each one of them says they will share what they've learned with their countrymen, and they hope they're not the only ones.
We hope that we are not the first and the last delegation to come to Duluth.
And Michelle, the group also made a visit to SMDC Hospital this afternoon, and tomorrow they'll be visiting schools all around the city.
How long will the delegation be in town?
Well, they will be here till Sunday, and they've got a busy schedule before they head back home, Michelle.
I bet. All right. Thank you very much. Bua Zhang reporting on the Iraqi delegation.